And I know it's a weird, funky process, but it's really fun, very satisfying, and I hope you guys get a chance to try it. And if you do, just like I'm going to be dropping these into the Jerry's Live Facebook group for you guys to have as a reference, you can also take your designs and drop them in and say, hey guys, check out what I made, and make sure you do the hashtag JL275, because I would love to find what you make and love to see your repeat patterns, especially if they're amazing and I can get them on a throw pillow. Why not? Shower curtains, baseball hat, there's all kinds of things. Cell phone cases, they make cell phone cases now. And I really want somebody to make a dinosaur themed like wallpaper that I want to put on my kitchen, because I'm that person. Or maybe I make it.